The Trump administration dismantled key bird protection laws. Among the affected species, the common loon faces rising threats. Piping plovers struggle as their coastal habitats face increased dangers. The once numerous bobolink is now pressured by habitat loss. Red knots, requiring vast stopover sites, face unprecedented challenges. Alarming declines are noted in cerulean warblers due to forest destruction. Spotted sandpipers, reliant on waterfront spaces, see their numbers dwindle. Purple martins, insectivores, face peril from pesticide use. The vulnerable Kirtland's warbler suffers due to relaxed forest protections. The rusty blackbird, already declining, faces additional climate pressures. Baltimore orioles confront habitat fragmentation and resources scarcity. Policy changes during this administration increase risks for many birds. Conservation efforts are crucial to mitigate these emerging threats. Environmental organizations call for restoration of previous protections. International cooperation is necessary due to birds' migratory nature.